What's up, everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial. I'm pretty excited because I'm bringing the studio mic back. I like the quality a little bit better than my lav mics, and I have a sky cam. Why? I have no idea. I'm never going to use it. Today, we're going to learn how I color grade my greens. More specifically, how to make your greens a little bit more cinematic, and it's actually easier than you think. So, the best part about this tutorial is I'm giving away a free preset. So whatever we create today, 1, you're going to learn how to do, and 2, you're going to get a free preset so you can just drag and drop it onto your clips. It's pretty fun. So let's check out what it looks like. Well, that was pretty dope. I mean, it looks cool. It makes your drone footage look extra cool. So let's learn how to do it. So now I'm in Premiere, and this is the clip I'm going to be working with right here. It's just a drone shot I shot while I was in Hawaii. So first things first, you're going to want to head on over to the color tab and go down to the curves tab under Lumetri color. We're only going to be messing with the hue saturation curves and the RGB curves up here. The hue saturation curves, if you don't know quickly, hue versus saturation, if you click and drag, changes the saturation of all of your colors, and the hue versus hue will actually change the hue of all your colors, and the hue versus luma will change the brightness of all your colors. Now, you can individually select and create points anywhere you want to change the color of that selected parameter so you can get some interesting effects. So in order to do this effect, all you have to do is click on the eyedropper tool and select a color that you would like to modify. I'm just going to select a random green in there. And you can see it created 3 points. The center point is the closest to that color, so if you drag that around, you'll see it starts to manipulate it. So since we're going to cinematic greens, I'm going to drag this down close to that bottom line. But you'll notice it didn't really grab all the colors I wanted. So you're going to have to use these right and left points to expand that color out as much as you would like by clicking and dragging them. Not too far because you don't want to desaturate everything, and you can mess around with this bottom curve to create an interesting effect to your desired look. I think that looks good. Now I'm going to go back to the hue versus hue and change the hue a little bit, creating 2 points on the edges close to these points and drag around the middle one to see what's happening. If I drag it up, it kind of creates a magenta or purple look. And if I drag it down, it kind of creates a teal look. So you can play around with this. I think dragging it up actually looks pretty good right about there. And then now let's go to the hue versus luma. Same thing, we're going to create 2 points on the edges and start to drag this down a little bit because I want to create a darker green. I think that looks good. And now the only other step we have to do is go back up to the RGB curves, create a point right here, and create a point right here at the top. Think of it as like a contrast curve. So if we drag our shadows down a little bit, it will add some contrast, and we can drag our highlights up a little bit to make this a little more punchy. Now playing back through our look, we have created some cinematic green look, and it's pretty sick. Let's do a toggle on and off so we can see what we started with and what we just created. Now, you can go ahead and modify this as much as you want, but you'll just have to download the preset to do that, like adding some vignette if you would like, and the basic corrections if you would like to decrease the exposure a little bit, add some more punchy contrast. You can really modify this to get the look that you want. So for the sake of this tutorial, that's pretty much it. It's super simple, easy to do, and here's the free preset. All you have to do is download using the link in the description down below. It's 100% free, and it will always be free. All right, so in order to use this preset, all you have to do is right-click on presets, go to import presets, navigate to wherever you downloaded that preset, and click on open. Once you click open, go to presets, Kyler Holland presets, color grading, and then KH dark green LUT. You can select on that and you'll see your LUT is right there. All you have to do is click and drag it onto your clip and you will have that cinematic dark green look that we just created. It's pretty awesome. As always, I give away one free version of my Ultimate Effects pack on my tutorials. I'm going to be doing the giveaways on Tuesday now because sometimes I make 2 tutorials a week and it gets kind of overwhelming. So click the link in the description down below if you want to enter for the giveaway, which I'll be announcing on Tuesday. Good luck, guys. And if you guys like the video, please let me know what you think down below. Hit that like button because it seriously helps out the channel. And if you're new, consider subscribing because I'm going to be making some more stuff in the future. I'll see you guys next time.